is up, everyone? It's your boy AB, and we're back with another video. We're gonna keep it simple today. We're replacing the battery in the 5 Series, the F10 535i, and hopefully, number one, we're going to resolve the issue of the fact that we need to replace the battery because that's a dead cell. Number two, we're hoping to alleviate a potential secondary issue because of the low voltage that could be causing us to have a Valvetronic eccentric motor issue, or at least throwing a hard code. I'll get into that a little bit more. Today we're really just going to get into replacing the battery. It's going to be another part to this video. I'm going to create a standalone DIY video on how to not only replace the battery but to actually code the battery, because if you don't know, on the more modern BMWs you do have to register the battery to the car. Okay guys, so we're back. The 5 Series has been taken care of. We actually started off a few days prior to actually getting ready to troubleshoot some other issues with the car, and that being the Valvetronic eccentric motor. What we think is going on is that the older battery being at the level that it was, or the charge level that it was causing for, you know, various sensors, and in this case that module to not work properly. If you don't know this already, in these more modern BMWs like the F10 5 Series and the E92 M3 that I have, you have to have optimal battery charge, voltage, amperage, the whole nine, in order for these cars to operate correctly because of all of the sensors and modules. One of the things I had to confirm with the batteries is that the battery that came in the 5 Series prior to what's in there now was actually a 800 cranking amp rated battery versus the H9, which is 950 cold cranking amp. It looks like this one was a replacement battery. It is a 2013. We are now almost, we're pretty much at about the 9-year mark. So this probably got replaced maybe 3 to 4, maybe even 5 years ago. The original replaced with this one here. So I basically just went with the 900 cold cranking amp, because that is more than enough. Some minor differences between going with DieHard versus genuine BMW. The reason I went with DieHard versus genuine BMW is, number one, I would have gone with Interstate, which is what's in the E92 M3. Number two, I have a DieHard battery in this vehicle, and we've had it in here for about maybe over a year, if not 2 years, and it's running strong. It's not an AGM battery, so the other one, the Interstate battery, is an AGM battery. It is a 3-year warranty. That's pretty much why I went with the DieHard battery versus genuine BMW. But again, I've not gone with a genuine BMW battery in a long time. I've always, for the most part, gone with Interstate. But now that Advanced Auto Parts has partnered up with DieHard, that is a battery brand that I trust, and it's been doing me well thus far, so I have no complaints. I hope that helps out as far as you shopping for a battery. If you have any questions, drop your questions and your comments down in the comments below. You know, you can always reach out to me on Instagram at EuroAutoEnthusiast, and of course the email at EuroAutoEnthusiast@gmail for any questions, suggestions, anything like that. All right guys, we appreciate you. You all take care. Enjoy, of course, turn a wrench in your car. Keep driving, stay safe, stay motivated. Salute.